Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at your homes. Now students, once again welcome to the online classes of St. Joseph's Academy for class 5th, subject Social Studies, lesson 9, part 3, presented by Durga Thappa. Students, today we are going to study lesson 9, part 3, responsibilities of a citizen in a democratic polity. Okay, so let's begin part 3. Students, in the part 1 and part 2 of lesson number 9, we have studied that the responsible citizen should be vigilant, dutiful, honest, and cooperative. We have also studied that a responsible citizen should be aware of responsibilities. As we can see in this picture, that we all are polluting our nearby places, but some of our responsible citizens are they are collecting the wrappers and the plastic bottles from the park. So this is the responsibility of a responsible citizen. Okay. Now students, in this part 3 of lesson number 9, we are going to solve and discuss the exercises, and then we will do in the books. Okay. So students, in process to do our exercises, let's begin with question number A, multiple choice questions. Question 1 is, choose the correct option to answer the following questions correctly. First one is, who is the cornerstone in a democratic polity? So question is, who is the cornerstone in a democratic polity? Option 1, an ideal citizen. Option B, a responsible citizen. And option C, both an ideal citizen and a responsible citizen. So students, can you guess the answer? Yes, very good. The answer is both an ideal citizen and a responsible citizen. Very good. Now students, the second part of the MCQ is, the scope of responsibilities is vary. Now here we are having the three options. Number A, comprehensive. Number B, narrow. Number C is limited. The scope of responsibilities is very dash. So can you guess the answer? Yes students, very good. The answer is comprehensive. The scope of responsibilities is very comprehensive. Now come to the next question. Number 3 is, citizens in a democratic country should be aware of their option A, rights. Option B, duties. Option C, both rights and duties. So students, can you guess the answer? Citizens in a democratic country should be aware of their what? Rights, duties, or both rights and duties? Yes, very good. The answer is both rights and duties. That means a citizen in a democratic country should be aware of their both rights and duties. Very good. Now number 4 is, in a democratic country, the role of citizens is of option A, no significance, option B, great significance, and number C, none of these. So the answer is great significance. Now the last question is, we should keep our school, home, and neighborhood So option A, neat and clean. Option B, green. And option C, both neat, clean and green. So could you guess the answer? Can you guess the answer? Yes, students, it's very good. The answer is we should keep our school, home and neighborhood both neat, clean and green. Okay, students? Now, students, move to the next question, that is question number C. Write true or false. Number 1 is the responsible citizens enhance the quality of a democratic structure. So we have to tell, is it true or false? The responsible citizens enhance the quality of a democratic structure. Can you guess the answer? It's true or false? Yes, very good. The answer is true. Number 2 is ideal citizens should be well informed. Ideal citizens should be well informed. Is it true or false? Yes, very good. This sentence is also true. Now number 3 is we should always keep a sharp eye on the antisocial elements. Now do you know what is antisocial elements? Okay, very good. So you should also tell me the answer. Is it true or false? We should always keep an eye on the antisocial elements. Okay, very good. The answer is true. Number 4 is we must abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals. Is it true or false? We should always follow the Constitution and respect its ideals like brotherhood and world peace and all that. Yes, very good. The answer is true. This is also true. Yes, students, all the 4 sentences are true. Now, let's read the next one, that is we should not keep our neighborhood neat and clean. Is it true or false? We should not keep our neighborhood neat and clean. No, this is false. So the answer is false, because we should always keep our neighborhood, school, our home, everything should be clean, neat and clean. Okay? Yes, students, the next question is fill in the blanks. Question D is fill in the blanks. Now let's begin. The first one is the democratic system always ensures the participation of dash. The democratic system always ensures the participation of dash. Now I hope you know the answer. Can you tell the answer? Yes, it is people, because without people democratic system cannot be imagined. So the answer is people. The democratic system always ensures the participation of the people. Okay. Number 2, we should be aware of dash and dash. That means a responsible citizen should be aware of dash and dash. Yes, very good. We should be aware of rights and duties. That means we should be aware of our fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Now students, let's read the sentence number 3. We must safeguard dash property. We must safeguard dash property. Yes, the answer is public property. As we all know that we all are very aware of, we say always safeguard our private property. Okay, that means our home, our house, our car and every property. But we must always safeguard the public property also. Okay, so the answer is public property. Next is we should pay taxes. We should pay taxes dash. The answer is regularly. Yes, the responsible citizen should always pay their taxes regularly for the development of the country. Sentence number 5 is students should devote time to their dash. Students should devote time to their dash. The first duty of the student is to study. So here the answer is studies. Very good. The students should devote their time to their studies. Okay, very good. Now students, next question is question number E, that is correctly match column A with column B. So let's find out column A and column B. Here column A, the first one is every country wants to have. Number B is the ideal citizens should be. Number number 3 is we should also develop. Fourth, we should promote harmony. And number 5 is responsible citizens must use the. Now here next column is column B. A, well informed. B, amongst all people of India. C, right to vote. And D, scientific temper. And E is responsible citizens. Now students, here given are the two columns and we have to match them. Okay. So students, let's try to match the columns, that is column A and column B. Every country wants to have, the answer will be responsible citizens. Yes, every country wants to have the responsible citizens, not the unwanted antisocial people. Okay. Number 2 is the ideal citizens should be well informed. Yes, the ideal citizens should be well informed. Then only they will be alert and agile. Okay. Number 3 is we should also develop scientific temper. Yes, we should also develop scientific temper for the growth of India. Yes. Number 4 is we should promote harmony. Yes, we should promote harmony amongst all people of India. We have to follow the brotherhood and the world peace. Okay. Next one is responsible citizens must use the right to vote. Yes, responsible citizens must use the right to vote for the development of a country, because in a democratic country without the right to vote cannot be imagined. Okay, so we have to use our right to vote properly. Now students, the next question is answer the following question, that is question number B. So let's begin the question answers. Question number 1 is write in brief about the responsible citizens. Now here students, in video number 1 and video part 2 we have studied about the responsible citizens. So write in brief about responsible citizens. Answer is point number 1, the responsible citizen enhance the quality of the democratic structure. Yes, point number 1 is the responsible citizen enhance the quality of the democratic structure. Number 2 is they believe in constitution. Yes, responsible citizen always believe in constitution. They should be alert and agile. Yes, every citizen should be alert and agile. And last point is they should always remain committed to the principle and ideals of non-violence, brotherhood and world peace. Okay students. Question number 2. Question number 2 is mention the roles of citizen in a democratic country. What is the role of citizens in a democratic country? So the answer is in a democratic country, the role of citizens is of great significance. Yes, in a democratic country, the role of citizens is of great significance because without people, without citizens, we cannot imagine the democracy. So number 2 is they should be aware of their rights and duties. And number 3 is they can criticize the policies of the government, but the methods and the ways of criticism should be non-violent, decent and democratic. Okay, students? Now, the next question number 3 is, write what is the prime purpose of fundamental duties in a constitution of India? That means why it is included, why the fundamental duties are included in the Constitution of India. Yes, so the prime purpose of fundamental duties in the Constitution of India is to make the citizens aware of their social and economical obligations. That means they should know what they have to do and what they could not do, what is their duty. That means that they have to follow the law and duty because they have promised to do so. In a democratic country, it is compulsory, it is a fundamental, the prime purpose of the fundamental duties that is included in the Constitution of India to make sure that the citizens are aware of their social and economical obligations. Okay, students? The next question is question number 4. Yes, this is the last question. Mention any 5 duties of a responsible citizen. Students, here we have studied so many duties, and out of these 11 duties, we have to write down any 5 duties. Okay. So number 1 duty is to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Number 2 is you use the voting rights very carefully without any obligations, without any burden and without coming in any other one's influence. Number 3, safeguard public property and avoid or leave the violence, abjure the violence. Number 4, protect and improve the natural environment. Yes, we have to protect and we have to improve the natural environment by not polluting the neighborhood and by planting more and more trees. Okay. Number 5 is to obey the laws of the country and pay taxes honestly and regularly for the development of country. Okay, students. Now thank you and have a nice day. Okay, students.